Sneeze. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ga 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 da da. Going down an alley of people. Now I have to ask. Okay, I got permission. Okay, I got permission. Such a long walk. I might just teleport there. Okay, I got you. A lot of people are here today. That's good. Oh, I see my mom. Let's teleport. I got you. Mom! Mommy! Hi, Mommy! Shit. It's on low tide right now, though. I'm gonna teleport there. Okay, I got here. Da, 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 da. If you guys been to South Carolina, then you guys are epic. Yeah, when Evan, you guys are not epic at all. Dexter, if you have been to South Carolina, you are epic. If you haven't, you're not epic. Non-epic member of the Epic Memes. I might only use my mouse. Okay, got here. I'm going to teleport upstairs. I said all the stairs. I said all the stairs.
It's neat.
Time to teleport again. There we go. Ga, 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 ga. Everyone's evil out there. Ga, ga, ga. What's up, guys?